The CRUX 3.7-quart digital air fryer offers a streamlined way to explore crispy cooking without the traditional deep frying fuss. It comes in 3.7 or 6-quart versions. Its adjustable temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit works for everything from fries to wings, and the 60-minute timer plus auto shutoff might help prevent accidental overbrowning. The nonstick tray aims to simplify cleanup, always a plus for those who want fewer dish duty battles. Meanwhile, the touchscreen controls lend a modern vibe and make setup a breeze. While it may not replace every kitchen gadget out there, it could lighten your cooking routine if you're aiming for a crunch minus the extra oil. Feel free to give it a try to see if it becomes a go-to helper for busy weeknights or casual weekend treats. That's it. Thanks for watching TrendPunk Reviews, and please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps us keep providing honest reviews. We live with and use each product so you can make the best decision for you.